Yes, good morning. This is Matina Enclaves. We are going to have a video on the main entrance of Matina Enclaves. Just watch it. This is the ongoing construction of the entrance for Matina Enclaves. Open a wide entrance and you see a lot of flowers. Okay, now let's make closer. This is the exit and this is the entrance. You see the landscape, it's very beautiful, and you can see the logo of Matina Enclaves. And then once you get inside the guard, you can see the ongoing constructions of the what we call the model what's it called, clubhouse, right, clubhouse. And you can see the wide open perimeter lane and the locations for the house and lots. And you can see in this part, this will rise for a new building 1 for the condominium, and probably this one is condominium 2, and the rest is for the house and lot area. Okay, and then that's it. You can see all the details here in Matina Enclaves. Thanks and God bless.